Hi guys, it's HenryTMC and this is how to make a chocolate Coca Cola bottle. Step 1, you drink some Coca Cola. Now that the Coke's all gone in my belly, you take the label, or you could do this bit first. Depends on what you want to do. You take the label off the label and the cap because this will be used later. Next, you need some chocolate. Look at all of this! This is 400 grams of chocolate. I'm going to use it all because this is quite a big Coca-Cola bottle. So I'm going to use all 400 grams of this chocolate. I'm not actually sure how much chocolate we're exactly going to need. Big bottle, I'm just going to use it all. And now you put all of this chocolate into the bowl. And you need to break it up so it's hard, so it's easier to melt, and you can eat a bit if you. So now that I've broken most of it all up, I'm going to melt it. Water is now warming up. I'm going to put this on top of here and wait for it to all melt. Apparently this is called a bain-marie. I just think it's a saucepan with a bowl on top. As you can see, it's just starting to melt. I hope this really works. Almost there, it's really starting to melt now. It smells so good too. It's all melted, we're now ready to go. For safety reasons, because it's really hot, my mum is going to be pouring this in. And yeah, it's really, whoa, nearly over the edge. We can't afford to lose any of this chocolate, okay? It's quite messy, but it is going in the bottle, which is what we need to happen. As long as it's working, it's fine. Just got to, with the chocolate inside, just twirl the bottle around, and then it should go and cover the whole outside of the bottle. And then basically, we put that in the fridge. It will basically go really cold and freeze. And then hopefully, it will stay like that. We can cut the bottle off, and we'll have a chocolate Coca-Cola bottle. The mess we've made all over the worktop, it's insane. But this, all the chocolate, is now covered on the inside of the Coca-Cola bottle. And now we're going to put it in the fridge, and hopefully it will keep its shape, and then we can cut the Coca-Cola bottle off. So guys, it's now the next day. I've put the bottle in the fridge and freezer overnight. Here is the finished result. So, it is really hard to get out of the Coca-Cola bottle when you're trying to get it out. I had to get my mum to help me. Yeah, it's just really hard. So basically you put the Coca-Cola thing back on so it looks like a Coca-Cola bottle, and then you can put like the lid back on to make it look properly like a Coca-Cola bottle. We've cut a hole in ours, and then we've put Smarties inside, and it looks really cool because they're all pouring out. If I was going to do this again, I would probably first cut the bottle and then sellotape it together, and then when you're finished, you can just take the sellotape off and take the bottle apart a lot easier. And so if I was going to do it again, I'd do that. I'm not 100% sure that would actually work, but this was really tricky to get out, so I want to find another way. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on how to make a chocolate Coca-Cola bottle. Hit that like button and subscribe for more. Bye! Bye guys!